a lot of people are going to start a little late. Even IIM Ahmedabad yesterday has released that July 31st they are going to start. So we are now talking about a significant 2 months before people start their careers. Forget about people coming up next year. What do you ask, or what do you advise them to do for these 2.5 months that are there for them? I will start with you, GP, and then I'll take Mr. Shah's, Dr. Shah's views.
So I would say that use these 2 months to upskill yourself, identify what are your preferred areas, and then you could choose to study something which you are weak in, or you may choose to study something which you are good and you want to specialize in that area. For example, if you have a finance background and you want to go further in finance, it may not be a bad idea to do, let's say, courses from NSE, NCFM courses. CFA you could start. You could, and I don't know if the IIM Udaipur courses, are they available to outsiders also? I'm sure many such courses are there in the market which you could pick up based on your specialization. Okay?
Absolutely.
Similarly, if you look at marketing, digital marketing programs, there are many things available. So to me, these 2 months have to be used. Obviously, you can't go anywhere, you can't travel. So you might as well sit at home, study, and make sure that you are well prepared for the program which will start on 1st August. And just one thing I want to add to what Professor Janat Shah said regarding the fee part. I would say it is more difficult to teach online. The faculty needs to put in huge amount of effort to ensure the experience is similar. That is one thing which one needs to always understand when we talk about the fee, and the expenses of the institute are not going down in any case. Second thing which I would like to again talk about is, in the corporate world, are we not used to multi-locational projects? One person sitting in US, one in India, one within India also, someone in Bangalore, someone in Pune. Are we not doing multiple locational projects? We are doing them in the industry. It is only at this point of time we are bringing in that skill or that way of working to the institutes also. So I would say, while these are things which we need to be discovered, I don't think this is something which cannot be done at all. And which is why, at least I am personally very confident the experience is going to be almost the same. Yes, it will not be identical, but the experience will be almost the same.
Right. Yeah. Professor Shah, if you can tell what the 2 months before, when is IIM Udaipur studying? Have you thought about the date? Is it August again?
It's the same way. I think we are July end or August, is what we're looking at. I think this is actually a slightly tough question, okay? Because, as GP ideally talked about, normally I would have said go for a hike. Go for us,
because sorry to interrupt here, but that's exactly what I tell everyone. that please go and have fun, because once you enter the institute, absolutely, next 2 years you won't get time for anything.
So it's just that because you're locked up at home, right? So I think there are two sides, and both I think are valid. One side could say that be better prepared, right?
Right.
That's one. Other is saying, look, anyway, it's going to be a tough life. Try and do something different, right? Only thing, most of you, if they have not been with family, right, then spend some time with family. You want to pick up something else, So I think don't get too worked up either way. Okay,
excellent.
Excellent. It's okay. It's. I mean, a lot of us. I think that's a problem. Sometimes we think every month as if it's like we should use everything in a most effective way kind of thing. Because your MBA journey is going to be different. Very difficult to think through what it is. I mean, even though you will keep talking to alumni, friends and all that. So don't get too worked up either way. Both sides are fine. If you say, I want to use it to pick up something, or if I want to say, I just want to chill and, so that so I think it's okay. Don't get too worked up. There's no the answer, and whatever works for you is okay.